Hey everyone, welcome back to How To with Sunny. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block adult websites on an iPhone using the built-in screen time settings. This can be useful if you want to restrict adult content on your own iPhone or manage what a child or teenager can access. First, open the Settings app on the iPhone. Scroll down and tap Screen Time. Inside Screen Time, scroll down and tap Lock Screen Time Settings. You'll now be asked to create a screen time passcode. If you're setting this up for a child or teenager, make sure you choose a passcode that is different from the one used to unlock the iPhone. This is important because the screen time passcode prevents someone else from changing these restrictions later. Once your passcode is set, go back to the Screen Time menu and tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Turn on Content and Privacy Restrictions at the top. If asked, enter your screen time passcode. Next, tap App, Media, Web and Games. Scroll down and select Web Content. By default, this may be set to Unrestricted. To block adult websites, select Limit Adult Websites. Your iPhone will now automatically try to restrict access to adult websites. You can also customize these settings further. Under Always Allow, you can add websites that should always be accessible. And under Never Allow, you can manually add specific websites that you want to block. This restriction applies to Safari and can also affect website access through other browsers installed on the iPhone. And that's it. You've successfully enabled adult website restrictions on your iPhone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.